Hello and welcome! Today I'm making simple, delicious and nutritious flatbread. The best part is that you will only need 2 ingredients and you can use it in savory dishes as well as in desserts. At the end of the video, I will share a serving option. All we need for this recipe is 1 cup of red split lentils and 1.5 cups of hot water. It's that simple. We begin by placing the well-rinsed lentils into a container and adding the 1.5 cups of hot water. Cover it and let it soak for 30 minutes or until softened. Once done, transfer the lentils along with the soaking water into a blender. Blend on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture reaches a smooth, even consistency. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and pour in a portion of the lentil mixture. Swirl the pan around to spread it into a thin, even layer. It's a great upper body workout. Cook for 3 minutes. When done, work around the edges and flip it to cook the other side for another 2 minutes. And it's ready. Pile your flatbreads on a plate. You'll get about 6 pieces from this recipe. They turn out soft and elastic, and you can fold them into triangles or roll them up. Here's how I use them for a yummy Middle Eastern style dish. Start by slicing a sweet pepper into long strips to prevent them from falling out. Cut the carrots into sticks. And then chop some sweet onions into smaller pieces. Add a handful of black olives. Slice them into rings. Take 1 flatbread and spread 2 tablespoons of hummus over it, leaving an empty edge at one end. Place the onions and olives on top, which will help keep them in place. Add a generous layer of arugula or any salad leaves, pressing them down nicely. Then place the pepper strips in the middle and the carrots along the edge. Now it's time to roll it up, but fair warning, it can get messy. Cut the roll in half and there you have it, a beautiful, healthy meal. Thanks to these ingredients, there won't be any dripping or leaking. I usually have 2 of these for lunch. Not only are they delicious, but they are also packed with nutrients. You'll get a good amount of protein, as well as vitamins A, C, and K, plus manganese, iron, and calcium. Let me know if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.